Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lover. Today I will be making a very simple and delicious dessert from India. It's called Phirni. There is a story behind this Phirni that maybe it is a true form or maybe not, but still स्टोरी बोला जाता है इसको लेके कि जो फिरनी नाम आए है और जब खीर बना रहा था while the kheer was making with some rice and milk, by mistake the rice got overcooked and it has mixed almost smoothly along with the milk, and from where the Phirni name came. Or the other name is जो राइस को जो मिल्क के साथ फिरनी बनाया जाता है वो बहुत देर से उसको फेरा जाता है, तो it is mixed for a longer time along with some coarsely powdered rice, and then the mixture which it came or the kheer which is made with that is called as Phirni. Now you may find in many recipes, in many others recipes, the Phirni which is made with long grain rice, but authentically the Phirni should be made with the short grain rice because of the more starchy content present in it. You can take any kind of short grain rice, you can take even the flavored short grain rice which provides a nice flavor in the Phirni preparation. Now here today I have taken short grain rice which is called Govindabhog rice, which I have washed it and I have soaked it in water and then I have make it dry, and then I will make a powder of it. So let me take the mixer bowl. I just put this rice inside and I will make a coarse powder. There is a ratio of rice with milk and sugar to prepare a perfect quality, perfect taste of Phirni. While I will be preparing this stage by stage, I will tell you. So here this month I have taken 25 grams of short grain Govindabhog rice. I'll make coarse powder of it. So I have made coarse powder of Govindabhog rice. I just take it in a bowl. See, I don't know which rice you use for making kheer or Phirni, but one time you try to prepare it with Govindabhog rice. So nice flavor it provides in the dish. You will not believe if you don't use it. And one more very important thing that I just want to share with you, for different health reasons we drink single tone milk, double tone milk, etc., etc. But remember, if you want to make kheer and if you want to make a good quality of kheer, always you must choose the full cream milk. You take lesser in quantity, but you will enjoy more if you use the full milk, full cream milk in this preparation. I have taken 25 grams of Govindabhog rice. So here it is 500 ml of milk. So always you should choose 500 ml of milk for 25 grams of rice. So full cream milk. Let it start simmering. Now while it will start simmering, I just give one bay leaf, few numbers of cardamom which will provide you nice flavor. So the milk has started simmering. I have taken some cold milk and mix it with the coarsely ground rice, and now I will just add it. And we need to cook the rice along with the milk, and we need to cook till it turns thick in texture. Remember, I have not added sugar at this stage. Sugar I will be adding at the end. At this stage, I will add 1 pinch of salt in it. Salt, it enhances the taste and flavor of the sweet preparation. So you can see it has turned a little thick in texture. I will add now some khoya kheer, some grated mawa. Almost 25 grams. So 25 grams of rice, 25 grams of mawa with 500 grams of whole milk. Let the mawa melt, and this is the perfect thick texture. At this time, I will add some saffron which I have dissolved along with the milk, which will enhance the color as well as flavor in the dish. And 25 grams of rice we have taken, so 50 grams of sugar. Now this sugar, once it will come in heat, it will melt and it will release some water in the kheer, and the kheer will turn perfect in texture. So it is almost ready. At this stage, I'll add a pinch of cardamom powder, mix it nicely. So we need to switch off the flame. At this stage, the thickness you need to understand at what temperature and at what consistency you should pour it in the mold. So it is now ready. I just pour this in this earthenware mold. So I have poured this in this earthenware mold. Now, very important thing I just missed to tell you. When you are using this earthenware mold, before you use, it should be washed thoroughly and dip it in water at least for half an hour. And then you wash again and you use it for the purpose of presentation. So the presentation is done. I just put some flecks of cashew nut and almond. Even if you want, you can give some pistachios also. So the delicious dessert from India, Phirni, is ready for you. Even you can call this as Kesar Phirni also. So the Kesar Phirni or the Phirni, the delicious dessert of India, is for you to try and taste. Follow the recipe which I told while I have made this dish, like 500 grams of milk, for that 25 grams of rice and 50 grams of sugar, and to enrich the taste more better, you can add 25 grams of mawa or grated khoya in it. For the flavor, you add some cardamom powder and you serve cold to a guest to enjoy the dish. Hope you have enjoyed the whole preparation. Prepare it, taste it, write in my comment box how you have prepared and how you have enjoyed the dish. Thank you for watching this lovely recipe with me. Happy cooking!